Wondered who is a stakeholder in Agile software development? Well, a stakeholder is anyone who is materially impacted by the solution. They're not just end users, but a wide spectrum of individuals. They could be the direct users, the managers, or even developers working on systems that interact with the one under development. They're the ones whose day-to-day might change or whose goals might be affected by the project outcome. So stakeholders play a significant role, but how do we categorize them? Stakeholders can be broadly categorized into four groups. First up, we have the end users. These are the people who will be using your system day in, day out. They're after systems that are user-friendly and that make their jobs easier. Next, we have the principals. These are the big decision makers. They're the ones who ultimately foot the bill and put your system to use. This group includes the gold owners, senior business management, and the folks who buy commercial systems. Thirdly, we have the partners. These are the people who roll up their sleeves and make the system work in production. This includes operations staff, support staff, trainers, legal experts, installers, application hosting companies, and developers on external systems. And finally, we have the insiders. These are the members of the development team and people who provide technical and business services to your team.